Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up apply for charge ready in California, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Charge Ready website. Locate the Apply Now button on the home page. Click on the button to start the application process. Next, create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in your email to verify your account. Log into your new account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the application section of the website. Review the eligibility requirements for the Charge Ready program. Ensure that your location and type of property meet the program criteria. Fill out the application form with accurate information about your property. Include details such as the address, type of building, and existing electrical infrastructure. If applicable, provide information about your current utility provider. Upload any required documents, such as property ownership proof or electrical blueprints. Double-check all entered information for accuracy before submission. Submit your application for the Charge Ready program. You will receive a confirmation email acknowledging the submission. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application status. If approved, follow the instructions in the email to proceed with the next steps. If additional information is requested, respond promptly to avoid delays. Once everything is in order, you will be contacted by a program representative. Schedule a consultation to discuss the next steps for installation. Be prepared to answer questions about your charging needs during the consultation. Finally, follow through with the project timeline provided by the representative. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.